Here are 9 things to remember when U.S. immigration officers or ICE show up to your home. Please remember that all persons living in the U.S. have certain constitutional rights, including undocumented immigrants. Remember the following. Number 1, you do not have to open the door. You do not have to open the door or let the officers into your home unless, of course, they have a valid search warrant that has been signed by a judge. Remember that an ICE deportation warrant is not the same as a search warrant. If an ICE deportation warrant is the only document that they have, they cannot legally come inside unless you verbally agree to let them in. Number 2, if the officers say they have a search warrant signed by a judge, ask them to slide it under your door or hold it up to a window so you can see it. Number 3, if the warrant does not have your correct name and address on it and it is not signed by a judge, then you do not have to open the door or let them inside. Number 4, if at any point you decide to speak with the officers, you do not have to open the door to do so. You can speak to them through the door or step outside and close the door. Number 5, you have the right to remain silent. You do not need to speak to the immigration officers or answer any questions. Number 6, if you are asked where you were born or how you entered the US, you may refuse to answer or remain silent. Number 7, you may also refuse to show identity documents that say what country you're from. Don't show them any passports, and also don't show them any false documents or don't lie. Just remain silent. Number 8, remember you have the right to speak with a lawyer. If you are detained or taken into custody, you have the right to immediately contact a lawyer. Even if you don't have a lawyer, tell the immigration officers that you want to speak to a lawyer. Number 9, you can't refuse to sign any and all paperwork until you've had the opportunity to speak to a lawyer. Again, remember, if you choose to sign something without speaking to a lawyer, be sure you understand exactly what the document says and means. Even if you believe you understand what the document says, I highly recommend that you speak to a lawyer before signing. I hope this helps. Don't forget to share this as widely as possible to the immigrant community in the United States. All the best and follow me for more.